Amakhosi are close in signing Mamelodi Sundowns starlets. Andile Jali is a South African professional soccer player who plays for Mamelodi Sundowns in a Premier Soccer League and the South African national football team. Kaizer Chiefs Sporting Director Kaizer Motaung Jr. has lifted the lead on whether Amakhosi are considering bringing Andile Jali on board. Jali has been the subject of speculation with his future at Mamelodi Sundowns hanging in the balance. On other Psl news, Andile Jali's agent will be recommending that the Mamelodi Sundowns star moves to Kaizer Chiefs. According to unplayable sources have confirmed that Mamelodi Sundowns and Andile Jali will officially part ways when their contract expires on 30 June 2023. Former Kaizer Chiefs winger Junior Kanye says his former side needs to swallow their pride and sign Andile Jali as youngsters are not contributing much on big games. According to opinion, is Andile Jali going to change things around at the Naturana camp? Let us know in the commentary section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Thanks. Bye.